It is I, Johnny Heikinashi, the great on these Wall Street charts, swinging open the doors to our 21-day prop firm challenge success workshop. And guess what? It's absolutely free. No credit cards needed. This is your golden ticket to mastering the prop firm challenge. Imagine getting your hands on a powerful indicator that will help you get funded, diving into a video game that teaches you how to trade, and receive personal tutoring from yours truly. All without spending a dime. The question I asked you, Grasshopper. Ready for a transformation that books or YouTube videos or online trading video courses can't offer you? Tap that link. Join a community where the ambitious become profitable traders.
It is I, Johnny Heikinashi the Great, on these Wall Street charts. And I'm going to be breaking down how easily and simple and effective it is to join the futures movement. Okay. We've been trading these things for a long time now, and it's time for you Forex guys to bring all that knowledge you have over here and make some good money. Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get back to where we left off at, and we're going to go over this. This is by the mark. Okay, so I've already went over our account is in sim mode. The instrument right here is the NQ. Okay, we know the NQ is $5. These are ATMs. I'll get into this in other videos, depending on how well these videos do. Here's my quantity size of how many contracts I'm trading at the given time. Okay. And I don't know what this is. I'm going to keep it a bean. I always just leave it the same. Okay. Now, if I want to sell, I see the market moving down and I want to sell. This is going to get me into the market.
Order filled.
Anywhere they feel it's best.
Order canceled.
Okay. Anywhere they feel it's best. That's where they're going to get me into the market. Right. So wherever the buy, the bid, whatever, as fast as they can get me in, they're getting me in there. Same goes for buying the market. Right?
Order filled.
Anywhere it can get me in, it's going to get me in. As you can see, this brown line represents where I entered at. Okay. Wherever the broker put me in the trade. Okay. If we go over
order canceled,
the ask. Okay. We have an ask, buy the bid, sell the ask, or sell the bid, buy the ask. So let's say we're going to sell the ask. That's going to put me behind the price, right? So it's going to put me behind the price a little bit to where people are asking for that order. Okay, so if it was right here, 18,059.75, it'll put me at maybe 18,062. If price comes back to there, then it will move the price. Then it will put me into the trade as it moves back and pushes it down. Okay. Same goes for buying the bid. Same thing. It'll put you
order filled
at a position in the same manner that it would as selling the ask, just
order
in reverse
canceled
for the buy. Okay. The reverse button is if you're in a trade.
Order filled.
And you need to reverse it.
Order canceled.
Because you feel like, oh my God, I got in a trade at the wrong time. I made a boo-boo. Let me reverse the trade. I never use this because I don't really understand how. Every time I've ever used it, I lost a bunch of money. So I just don't use it. I just close out the trade and try to get back in at the quickest possible. This button is the close button. Okay.
Order canceled.
Wherever price is trading at, it's going to close there as soon as possible. Okay. Now here, this button tells you your P&L. Let's go over
order submitted.
P&L. See how I bought the bid and it's behind. So I wanted to wait for it to come back and hit this. and it didn't. It took off. Now that's going to deal with your trading strategy and your psychology and how your brain works, and if that's the best way for you to trade. Okay. But let's close this out and just go to
Order
buy the
canceled.
mark so it can put us in right
Order
away.
filled.
Okay, now we're in the trade right away, and I want to show you the different function.
Order canceled.
I have ATMs on, guys. I'm sorry. Let me remove the ATM. Just put. Okay, that'll work. Let's say we'll take profit at.
Order submit. Order canceled.
What? I don't understand. Oh, because it was a one. Okay, 1 second. 1 second, guys. Stop. Let's put this at 85.2. Okay. So
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, so we're in a trade right now, and as you can see, it gives us the money. Okay, this is how much money you're making. Okay, 4 contracts is $20 a move. 5, 10, 15, 20. Got it? 5, 10, 15, 20. So every time it moves up 1 tick, it's going to go $20. So every time, if for you guys coming from the Forex, wanting to learn how this works, every time it moves up 1 pip, that's $20. Okay. Now, if I want to change it, all I have to do, let's say I don't like looking at the money and it messes with my psychology as a trader. I click it and now it'll give me a percentage. I click it again. I don't know what that is. I click it again and now it gives me the number. I don't know what that number is. I know what this number is. This number is ticks. Okay, now it's going to give me ticks. So let's say you're a pip counter. You like to see your pips. Well, right now it's negative 28 pips, 38 pips, 28 pips against you. Oh, I didn't even set the timer. Damn it. Set an alarm for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, counting down.
Okay, now it's giving you the amount of pips. It's calculating pips so you can see. Now, here's a trick I like to use. Now, remember, if you want to learn how to do all this stuff and have a good trading strategy that'll help you pass your challenge, come join my group, man. It's free. No credit card needed. Just sign up for the first 200 people. I'm only offering it to 200 people for free. Okay, so let's use this one. And then remember, we went over this before. Let's add our chart trader to here. We're going to go select our account here. Sim. We need to change this up here, which we went over before. It's in the MNQ. I need it to be the NQ. Okay. Now that it's in the NQ, I have ticks over here, but let's say I want to see the money here. So I click it, 400 and we're about $300 to $400 negative, but I want to see the ticks here. Look how easy that is. So I may not trade using these buttons over here. I might just only leave this open just so I can see how many ticks. Now, I like to do that because when I create my ATMs, my automatic, trading little strategies, I get a feel for how my market moves because I can see how many ticks my market moves on average. And that helps me design a phenomenal ATM. I can, if I keep seeing 25, 18, 21, 21, if I keep seeing every time the market takes off, it goes to 21 ticks and then it starts fumbling around, then I can say, I'll set up my ATM to maneuver in that way as well. Okay, guys, so I got that alarm. It's time to move on to the next part of the overview, quick overview of the futures market on NinjaTrader. Okay. And once again, you're seeing how easy it is to make money. I'm not even trading right now, guys. I'm literally pressing buttons, teaching, and calling trades live. This is a live market. It is 2/23/2014, and I called the market. This one's going to be short. You got to go get it.
Order canceled.
See how I know? See how I be knowing? it could be a big retrace. All right, before they come down here and wipe out this stuff. All right, so let's go to the next section.